Hello and welcome. So in this video I will show you how to add background image. Okay, so we already learned how to add image to HTML. I already showed you how to add image, video, audio and all that. So in this video I'll show you how to add background image. So I've created an HTML file. So in the body section, I'll just take this off. Alright, so give space. I'm not even going to be doing much in the HTML part. It's more or less like CSS. So I'll just create a div class. So you see why div is very important. Anything you're using, you are just creating div class, or that. So it's to help you arrange your elements properly. So I'll call this background. You can give it any name you wish, but make sure it's something related that you can remember while styling the CSS. Background image. It's too long. Background is okay. So I'll create another div class. Call this text. Then I'll add text here. Let's say H1 text. Let's say I say elite. Let me add span. Okay, so the paragraph I say welcome to Elite Tech Program. So you can write anything you want to write. Is my program correct? Okay, so you write anything you want to write. So that's for the HTML part. So before I go to CSS, I'm going to import an image. I have cool images here. Like I already thought of the one I'm going to use. It's a bit far. Okay, so I like this one. So I'll rename this. I already understand this. See, elite. Okay. So you can give your picture any name, but don't do the mistake I just made now. Okay, so let me see. Okay, make sure you add the .png or .png or .jpeg. That's for picture. Alright, so this is the image. So I'll come to my CSS now. So you see what I'm doing. You cannot just forget that general select or something. You must do it. Like it should stick to your brain. Anytime I want to start coding, it should just stick like that. Alright, so I'll do background. So you understand why I'm using background. And let me go to my HTML and confirm if it's the same name. So you see, background is the same name. So in this background now, I'm going to give it a width 100%. I'm going to give it height of 100 view height. And then this is where I'll add the background image. I can simply add the image. So I'll use URL, this attribute. I'll use it for adding the image. So I'll write the name of the image now. So it's elite. So this one thing with it might not even help you. So you have to be careful. So let's run this and see. Okay, so you see we have image in the background, but it does not look fine. It's just all over the place. So we are going to work on it now. So I'll add background size. Let's see. Cover. I want to cover the entire page. Background position. Oh, so I have to be typing. I'm going to say I want it to be in the center. So display so let's check this out. What's wrong with my code? Okay, semicolon. So if we run this, so I have something like this. Isn't it beautiful? It's looking nice now. So that text, those text that is above, you see, it's not so fine. So I'm going to bring it down somewhere around here. So I'll just come here. So I'll do dot text. Display flex. Justify contents. Center. Align item. Center. And then flex direction. So don't worry about all this code. The more you are using the SPCK editor, the more you try more designs, like the more you practice, you just get to understand and you will get to know all this. So flex direction, I'll make it column. So let's see what's happening. So see, my text now is in the center. So let me bring it down somewhere here around here. So let's use text align. Center. Font size. I'll use 20 pixel. Let's see. And then maximum width. Okay, so it's still at the top. So there's something you can use to bring it down. So I'm going to try out position. So we have position. There is position. There's absolute. There's relative, and there is fixed. So I'm going to use absolute for this one. So the top now. Let's say I make the top 30%. So let's see what happens. So you see, it's already at the center now, middle part. So left. Let's say I give it 10%. Perfect. Exactly where I want it to be. Okay, so that's for the text. Then I'm going to add something now. The H1, I'm going to give it a color. So I like blue. I love blue color, navy. So the span now, here's where the span comes in. The span. Give it orange red. My spelling is correct. Oh, color. So let's see. Okay, so this is beautiful. So this is how you can align a text to the center of the page. Isn't this beautiful? So even the welcome to Elite text, I can change the color if I want. I come here, P. I'll say color. I can give it navy. Alright, so you see. I can give it I can give this navy is okay. But let me bring this down a bit. Still the same problem. Pick it up a bit, 25. So you see. So this is beautiful. So for your assignment, I want you to do something like this, but yours should be better, like finer. I know my own is fine, but I want your own to be better, and then just use something nice. Try out something beautiful. Thanks for watching.